What's going on YouTube? GSN right here. Today, Apple released iOS 26 Beta 3. It's finally available, and as you can see, it's quite a big beta. It's 2.5 gigs on my iPhone 11, and you can go ahead and update today. Now, if you want to get the latest beta, you can go ahead and make sure that you are registered into the Apple Developer Program, because otherwise you will not be able to see the beta updates option in settings in software updates. So to get the beta, if you never had betas before, you go here to developer.apple.com and you go here to account. And then you're going to have to sign in with your Apple ID and password. After that, you will have to agree with the free developer account terms and conditions, and that will be enough. You can then go ahead, restart your device, and you should be able to see the beta update options in settings. So you should see something like this: beta updates off or iOS 26 developer beta. And yeah, it's now available over here. There are some changes, including to the control center. The actual blur in the control center looks more like frosted glass now than it did before. It fixed the horrible blur from beta 1, which was absolutely terrible. But we're going to get into the specifics of this beta in another video. Anyway, if you want to get the beta today, I highly recommend it. If you already have the previous beta, like beta 2 or beta 1 especially, you should go ahead and update right now. This does have a lot of bug fixes and improvements, and it's a major leap from beta 2. This video was brought to you by 8KSec. They provide an iOS security course called Offensive iOS Internals for those of you who want to learn how to protect your applications, if you want to understand the security mechanisms on iOS, and also if you want to make your own jailbreaks. Definitely check it out in the link below. Thank you for watching. I am GSN. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.